people. I'm going to do a little demo on this guitar right here. This is a Fender Special Run Player's Telecaster. They're just limited editions, I guess. This one is exclusive to Guitar Center. I think Guitar Center contacts Fender and wants certain models made, and this is one of them. I don't know how well it's going to show up in the camera, but the finish is a Blizzard Pearl, which is almost like a silverish, goldish metallic. It's really sharp, and in different lights it kind of changes color a little bit. I'll see if maybe I can get some of the light from above me to shine on it, let you see. It's beautiful. It's got a tinted glossed maple neck and fretboard. You can see Fender Telecaster right there. It's got the brown tortoiseshell pickguard, and it's got the American vintage noiseless pickups on it, and the 50 style Telecaster bridge with the 3 brass barrel saddles on it, and it's got a 3-way switch, a volume control, and this is missing the knobs. I've got them coming in the mail this week, but what this has is, if the knobs were on this, you'd see 2 of them stacked on top of each other. The bottom one is actually a mid boost, a 25 decibel mid boost that really kind of increases the mids of the guitar, gives a little bit more punchiness, and the top part is the tone control. I will try my best to demo them for you. It's kind of hard to turn without the knobs. And on the back of the guitar, the black piece right here, there's a 9-volt battery that goes in there, and that's what operates the preamp, the mid boost. The pros of this guitar, it plays great, it sounds great, it's nice and solid, it's pretty heavy. You know, it's got a great feel. It's got the jumbo frets on it, which I like. It makes for easier playing and easier string bending, and it's got the vintage Kluson style tuners, which I also like. It makes string changing a breeze. The thing I don't much like about this guitar is, of course, the active electronics, because I hear that this whole guitar will shut down if the battery goes bad. It's just a 9-volt battery. Any of them will work, but if you're playing live somewhere or something like that, the battery can go out on you, and your guitar is dead until you put a new battery in it. And you'll kill the battery if you leave the cord plugged in. And I have a bad habit of doing that. You know, when I'm done playing, I'll shut the amp off, leave the guitar plugged in, and go and lean it up against the amp. And that's when you go to play it again, and it's not working because you've drained the battery by leaving it plugged in. So I got to remember to do that, or I'm going to be spending a lot of money on batteries, and I don't want to do that. 9-volt batteries are expensive. But that's basically it. You know, it's pretty much no frills. It's just a Telecaster. It's pretty. It sounds good. I'll give you guys a little bit of a demo of it, let you hear it, let you see what it sounds like. The active mid boost is known for being on the Eric Clapton signature Stratocaster, and I hear that Andy Summers from the Police had this on his Telecaster too, and I'm going to turn it up, and I'm going to play Every Breath You Take, and we're going to see if there's kind of a tone similarity there, see what we can come up with. Let's try it. First thing I need to do is take the guitar down to a drop D. And we're there. I'll turn this mid boost up, and let's see what we come up with. some different things for you, let you hear the different array of tones from it, and tell me what you think. Now that was the neck pickup, or the bridge pickup, I'm sorry. The bridge one right here. That's the three-way switch is all the way back. That's this pickup. So that's what you just heard. I'll switch it now to the middle position, which is both pickups are on, and that's kind of that's a nice tone too. So we'll see what we come up with that. That's both pickups. Now when I switch it all the way to the front, now we got the neck pickup on. So that's basically some, rhythm style playing. And I can switch it right over here, and if I take my chorus off, I can come up with some pretty cool, like country licks, this guitar can get just about any tone you want, similar to a Stratocaster, but it's a little more bright. A lot of country players really are into these kind of guitars. One thing I do like about it also, it distorts really well. It sounds really good on overdrive, and I'll do some of that for you too. That's the bridge pickup on that. I really like the neck pickup for really good, sweet, milky type of lead tone. So, as you can see, it's pretty versatile. Might be able to take the volume down a little bit and get kind of that Keith Richards, Rolling Stones type of sound with it. You know that. Or so you can see right there, it's got so many things you can do with it for just pretty much a simple guitar. Just volume, the tone, and that active mid boost and three-way switch and 2 pickups, and you know, the sounds you can get out of it is just phenomenal. I've had a few Tellies in my life, and this is by far one of my favorite ones. I really do like this one. Now let's just get a close-up of it so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.